Genshin Impact was released in 2020, yet it feels like it has been around for longer. The game won so many awards, and in this January, it became the fastest mobile device game to reach 5 billion in revenue. This means the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact is styled after one of the biggest brands in the world. It's not the first collaboration with the Hoyoverse, but it is the one result of extra effort. The bespoke design is inspired by the character Killing. It's painted in electric violet, and first of its kind electro etching process has used to achieve the rear glass soft touch finish. The back is adorned with peacock motif and Keying signature lightning silhouette. The silhouette design is used for the SIM card ejector tool too. In fact, Genshin Impact Edition of 12R comes in a large box full of custom accessories and collectible merchandise. There's a violet 100-watt charger, a violet USB cable with a right angle plug, and a violet LED light, and a protective case with the image of Keeling. The exclusive gift box consists of an acrylic stand that shows off the character, pins, several magnets, and more. You're getting a lot of stuff, a lot more than the small premium of the Genshin Impact Edition of the vanilla version would suggest. OnePlus took time to customize the 12R software to everything from boot animation to the always-on display to the fingerprint unlock animation is custom. There are wallpapers and icon packs that immerse you in the world of Genshin Impact. The software customization includes optimization for the game. OnePlus said this is the most comprehensively customized Genshin Impact smartphone ever.